Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Gutlon and I'm your New York City tour guide. Today's stop is the Beekman Hotel. This hotel occupied a landmark Queen Anne building in 1881, which was the height of the New York Gilded Age. It was first built as the Chapel Street Theater, and on November 26, 1761, Shakespeare's Hamlet was first performed in New York City at this theater. But then, in 1766, a group of people rioting against the Stamp Act destroyed the theater since it was built out of wood. This red brick turreted structure was then built to be the Temple Court. By the 1800s, Temple Court had 212 suites, which it rented out to lawyers, architects, insurance companies, detectives, really any business, and it was the first of its kind to do so. And Temple Court was the first fireproofed building of the pre-skyscraper era. From the 1830s to 1850s, this building became Clinton Hall, which was home to the Mercantile Library Association's literary compilations. This 9-floor structure, originally constructed in 1883, was one of the first skyscrapers built in Manhattan, and it's connected to a 10-story annex that was built in 1890. And the crowning glory is the magnificent 9-story open Victorian atrium and pyramidal skylight. In 1940, the atrium was completely closed because it violated fire codes, and it wasn't reopened until 2008. In August 2016, the building reopened as the Beekman and consists of hotel rooms and condominiums. Make sure you join me tomorrow for more.